What's the one thing that's secretly holding your body back from feeling its absolute best, even when you're doing everything right? It's a bit of a paradox, but sometimes the very things we think are helping us can actually be working against us. Take collagen. For example, we've all heard about its amazing benefits, but what if I told you that gelatin trick is actually the real MVP when it comes to unlocking your body's full potential? You see, gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of gelatin, which is essentially the precursor to collagen, to nourish your body from the inside out. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you can start to experience the benefits of stronger hair, nails, and skin, as well as a happier gut. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, and I've seen the difference it's made in her life. She wakes up feeling more refreshed and energized, with a sense of lightness that's hard to describe. If you're curious to learn more about the gelatin trick and how it can work for you, be sure to check out the link in my description below, where you'll find a simple and easy-to-follow guide to get you started. And if you have any questions, hop into the comments. I've pinned a special note just for you with some extra tips and tricks to make the most of the gelatin trick.